Hi, I'm Barry, one of the teachers in the O10 IT teaching section, and I want to talk briefly today about Task 5 out of assignment Web Applications 3-3. Now this task involves creating a HTML page, and the intent of the task is to actually get you to write the HTML in a text editor. So you're not going to be using third-party software like Adobe Dreamweaver or Microsoft Expression Web authoring software like that. So the idea is to actually write the code yourself. So I'm just going to go over the HTML code in just some points. So essentially in a HTML file, there are several main areas. You've got the overarching HTML element, and then within that you've got two main areas. There's a head and there's a body. So for this assignment, you don't need to be too worried about the head. One thing I would suggest is that you include a title, and that goes into the head, and that just is the name of the window. So when you run the page in a browser, typically in a tab browser, whatever you've put in as its title is what will show in the tab. Or if it's running in a single window, it'll be in the Windows title bar. So for the assignment, you're actually given some content that you need to develop, and it's formatted like a Word document. So there's a big heading, there's some paragraphs, and there's some bullet points. So it's a really simple exercise that you're developing. So to do that, you'll need to know about H1 tags or H2 heading tags. In fact, they go from H1 through to H6. The smaller the number, the bigger the font size. The other thing you'll need are some paragraph tags, and lastly, you're going to need an unordered list tag and list items to populate the unordered list, and that's how you get your bullet points. And that's essentially it. It's a very simple, straightforward file or page that you're developing. There's no images, there's no other styling, and the other thing is that you are doing it in a text editor like Notepad for Windows, and when you save it as a text file, but make sure you give it an extension of .html or .htm. That's it, pretty straightforward. Good luck with that.